Hello, my YouTube fam, my YouTube co-workers. I am the nursing assistant. And guys, on this Monday, it's going to be a little different. This Monday, I'm giving you a blog about my cruise. I went on a cruise with MSC Cruise Line. So, guys, this is going to be a 3-part series, and this is part 1. I just want to let you guys know on this particular blog, in the beginning, while editing, I don't know how I did it, but I accidentally deleted the first scene of this video. So bear with me. So when you click on it, you'll be seeing the second scene of the video. But it's a great video. The whole series is good. I hope you guys stay tuned and look at it. Like I said, this is the first of 2 more blog about my cruise. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Please put a like and comment under the video. Hope you guys like it. Okay, guys, this is actually a whole nother day. I got tired last night and I didn't bring y'all guys back up. I've been ripping and running all around today, getting my nails done, my toes done, just tidying up the little small things before I have to leave tomorrow. So, as you can see, my area is a little more clean. I got some stuff in my suitcase. So, let me show you guys so far what I have done. I'm doing this because I am exhausted. Exhausted. Anyway, let me show you what I have packed. I got my slippers here. I wear these by the pool and to the beach. I have my good old trusted wig here, in here. I have my jewelry in here. And I'll just kind of just hang this up when I get in the cabin. It's good just to hang up. And I brought these clips here to hang up. This is all my jewelry. These are wigs that I'm gonna take. This is my cup. I thought it was so cute. I got it from Dollar Tree, guys. Look at that. Ain't that cute? And this here is some outfits that I put in here. I got 1, 2, I think I got 3. Yeah, I got 1, 2, 3 outfits in here, plus my pajamas. These things are really good. They are really good. You can pack a lot of them in there. And I got these here, sandals, packed. Okay. So that is it for this side. And then over here on this side, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 outfits in here. 6. And I got 1, 2, 3 outfits in here and a bathing suit and a cover up. So in here, I have my purse, my beach bag here, what I'll be carrying. My hat, here's my hat, my undies in here, my bonnet in here for my hair. Okay, I'm hoping everything close because this is a lot. This here, this is the adapter. Y'all know on the ship, the electrical plug are few to none. So all I do is plug that in, and I'm able to charge one, two, three ports, and then they have one, two, three, four different UPS ports. So if y'all ever go on a cruise, make sure you get an adapter for all your electronic. You'll be able to charge everything. So we'll put that in. And don't forget that this list come in handy. So as I put it in my suitcase, I will check it off that it is in my suitcase. I'm going on a cruise. We're also going to be going to staying 2 days in Orlando. Then we'll get up and go to Miami and catch the cruise ship. So what I am actually doing in this backpack, I'm gonna put what I'm gonna wear on the 2 days that we're in Orlando, so I would not have to mess with anything in this suitcase. I can actually leave this in the car and just grab this for the 2 days because this is all I'm gonna need. These Shein bags come in handy when it come down to packing. So I don't throw them away. I've been having these bags a long time. I just throw them in here. And when I get ready to pack stuff, I put it in here. So that's what we're doing. They're good packing bags just like those. So like I said, this is for the 2-day trip. So we're going to put the stuff that I'm going to need for Orlando in those bags.
If we tried it, we can make it.
Hello guys, today I am leaving out on my cruise. I have just about packed everything, but I wanted to come out and eat breakfast. Thank you.
You're welcome. Everything was okay for you guys?
Mm-hmm.
You don't need anything? Syrups over there.
Okay.
And is that it?
That's it.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you. Everything is just about packed. Just got to do a minimal thing. But before I left, I wanted to do lunch with my daughter, do breakfast with my daughter before I leave out because she's actually going over and she's gonna be staying with her auntie. So this is our like last little meal, last little get together before we get out. So yeah, that's what I want to do. So let's see what I am not actually having breakfast. I'm having a burger and fries. Fries look good.
How are they?
They're good. And
That's good.
burgers. So guys, this is what she's actually having. She's having pancakes, two big old pancakes.
Big.
And she got eggs. And what are you drinking?
I'm drinking milk. White
Milk,
milk.
white milk. Okay, guys. So yeah, we gonna enjoy our food and our breakfast together. Check you later. Okay, guys, we are actually on the road. I didn't pull you up when I left because it was terrible this morning. I had a hard time. Very, very hard time. Just was running late, so I did not pull you guys up, but we at our first rest stop here. We got a couple of hours, well, more than a couple of hours to go, and we'll be pulling up to the gas station in a minute. But yeah, this is our first stop, and yeah, so far everything is going pretty smoothly. The weather is holding out. It's a beautiful day. I think we're gonna have a good day today, and yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. All right, guys, we are at the service station now, kind of gassing up. So we're going in, just getting little snacks, drinks, or whatever before we hit the road. What do I want?
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get your shoes on, we're going dancing. These little problems,
Get a coat
we could solve them. Try another,
and maybe.
but I know you got one. But there's no hurry, the lifelight's calling. In the van we're driving to Austin. This feels like time.
Okay, guys, we are back on the road trying to get there. So, guys, hopefully we'll be there in a little bit. We got a long way to go. So, yeah, I'll pull you guys back up later. Okay, guys, we have made our destination. As you know, when you go on a vacation, what you have to do? You have to do a pit stop in Wally World. Everybody do that. So that is where we are right now. We are in Walmart, just picking up a couple of items, getting something to eat before we get to our villa. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Peace out.
If we tried it, we can make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get
Well,
your shoes
guys,
on,
we finally
go
made it.
dancing.
This is our villa here. As you can see, it's a gorgeous villa.
These little
I will be
problems
showing y'all around
we could
inside,
solve.
but let's just take a
Try
look of
another,
the
I know you've got one.
neighborhood that
There's
it's
no
in.
hurry, the lifelight's calling.
As I'm looking
In the
around,
van we're driving to
all the
Austin.
villa pretty much is made the same.
This feels like time is making
So,
fun
guys,
of
this is a
me.
very beautiful
Taking away
area.
at the walls and I can
So if you
barely
guys
breathe.
is ever in Orlando and need a
This might
large
be my
villa
only chance to leave.
to rent for a large party, I think this is a
Let's
great
not
place.
miss this opportunity.
This particular villa have 8 bedrooms,
Been with me.
5 baths, 1 movie theater, 1 game room, kitchen,
You're the king of
and sitting area.
Carolina.
So
You're the singer.
let's go
Fans
in.
behind you. Crowds around here. They just talk through you. Nothing's better when they love you.
Of course, this is my
there's
room
an angel in the
downstairs.
crowd where you guys are playing.
The first
We've been
bedroom.
drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me, taking away
First
at the
bedroom.
walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave.
Nice shower, game room.
Let's not miss this opportunity.
It's kinda dark, guys.
We get crazy.
Let's see, can we give it a little more light?
To my family, I love them.
The kids,
Till now,
love
I'm
this
doing
room.
everything I
they've been
can.
spending
Make
lots
it home for Christmas.
of time.
Make
here.
it alive. Do it
Got the
again.
Spider-Man there.
Yeah.
Great games. So yeah. This is the game room. Everybody else is out. That light fixture. This is the kitchen area.
If we try to,
Open
we can
concept.
make it. But don't we ever just take some chances and stop your thinking and start your living. Get
The
your
dining
shoes on,
area.
we're going dancing. These little problems, we could solve them. Try another, but I know you got one. But there's no hurry, the limelight's calling. In the van we're driving to Austin.
Name
Feels
tag
like time's making fun of me,
in the room.
taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe.
This is the media room to look at TV.
This might be
Here's
my
another
only
room
chance to leave.
right here. Nice.
Let's
and
not
bright.
miss this opportunity. Leave in with me.
Another
You're
bedroom.
the king of Carolina. You're the singer. Your band's behind you. Crowds around here, they just talk through you. Nothing's better than when they love you. Rumor has it,
No kid room. We
there's
hadn't
an angel in the
didn't
crowd
assign
where
it to
you
anyone.
guys are playing. We've been drinking, so now we're praying they don't find us, 'cause man, we're wasted. Feels like time is making fun of me, taking away at the walls and I can barely breathe. This might be my only chance to leave. Let's not miss this opportunity. We get crazy.